According to the latest buzz, Nokia is gearing up to launch an absolute beast of a smartphone, packed with a jaw-dropping 200-megapixel primary camera. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about the Nokia Arson Pro 2025 5G, and the best part? It's expected to come at a super affordable price. If you're excited about this phone, make sure to stick around till the end of this video, because today, we're diving deep into its fully leaked specs, price, and launch date. So let's start. Features of Nokia Arson Pro 5G. Leaks suggest this smartphone will rock a massive 6.87-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, with an insane 144 Hz refresh rate. But wait, there's more. You also get 390 Hz touch sampling rate, Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection, in-display fingerprint sensor, and IP68 rating. Camera setup. When it comes to cameras, the Nokia Arson Pro 2025 5G is a monster. It reportedly features a quad camera setup on the back, headlined by a 200-megapixel primary sensor, with OIS for ultra-sharp shots. The other three cameras are a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, 8-megapixel macro, and a 5-megapixel depth sensor. And for selfie lovers, a 64-megapixel front camera, that's ready to make your social media pop. Performance. Under the hood, this beast is expected to run on Android 15, and be powered by the flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, ensuring blazing fast speeds and seamless multitasking. Battery backup. Fueling this monster is a massive 7000 mAh battery, yes, you read that right. And when it's time to recharge, 125-watt fast charging, support via USB Type-C, means you'll be back to 100% in no time. Price and launch date. If rumors are true, this powerhouse could be priced around $500 globally, making it an absolute steal. As for the launch, expect it to drop in just a few months.